Hello guys, today I wanna show you how to use my new script called Bingo, which can help the AE user, especially motion graphic designer and broadcast designer, to make AE project more organized and faster in workflow. First, we need to download the script from my website, unzip and copy the contents into the Adobe After Effects default script UI folder. For the first run, click on the install component to make the Bingo fully function. Then restart After Effects. Just one time, then no need to do this process again. When Bingo scripts are ready, you can select the script from Windows tab and put it into your workspace. It is a dockable UI, so you can put it wherever you prefer. For the interface, Bingo has 3 tabs: Project Creator, Clean, and Render. Okay, let's start with New Project, for example, by typing the project name text New Project. Select the folder to save the AE file and click OK. Now we can see Bingo creates some folder for us with different color labels: main com, pre-com, asset. In asset, there are some subfolders to organize the project assets such as audio, slide frame, imported AEP, etc. Now we proceed to make a com, name it Opener, for example. Choose the resolution preset HE25 frames per second. And we can toggle the com background with the background toggle button. There are 3 phases for this: bright, dark, and transparent. Style frame is very important for motion designer to show clients, so Bingo has a function for this. To do style frame, click on Make Style Frame button. A window will pop up for us to choose which frames to be put into style frame board. Then we can set the resize resolution for the frames: full, half, third, or quarter. Click Make Style Frame button to create style frame board from chosen frames. If you want to export the style frame to JPEG, then use Capture Frame button. Choose a folder to store it, and here we go. So Capture Frame button will snapshot the current frame and export it as JPEG to hard drive. To customize the output of Capture Frame, click on the Output folder button. Next, we discover some utility from Layer Helper. We can add null, parent null for selected layers, control slider, add solid adjustment layer, add text, for example, Merry Christmas, and of course, camera. That's it for Helper. Now let's see what we got in Create Shapes list. We can create a square with custom controller like fill, stroke properties, scale in uniform or non-uniform to make a rectangle, chamfer, cloner amount with some offset parameter to make shape interesting. Other shapes in the list include ellipse, polygon, stars. Now take a look at other functions for layers. First, create a circle scaler first, duplicate it with the different color and exposition. Now we can select all of them and click on Layer Offset button to offset frame amount for each layer. Anchor point snap function is to reposition the pivot of the selected object. Another useful utility is swap position. If we want the copy position of one object and transfer it into the other, sometimes it doesn't work like the way we want. So swap position will help us to swap the position of the 2 selected objects properly. Even each object has keyframe in position property. In Fast Expression panel, we can add wiggle, smooth, bouncing, or loop for selected properties very quickly. Expression Editor is useful if we want to edit expression to control layer. It has its own window for us to type in expression and apply it to selected properties. We can also clear all expression, export expression, and import expression with FileAXP extension. Quick Effects is a bunch of everyday effects we use in After Effects. There are 3 groups in Quick Effects: color correction, effects, and third-party plugins. The Quick Effects window stays on screen, so it's very handy for us to manipulate and interact between the effect menu and layers. Okay, now let's see what we got in second tab of Bingo. Clean. We have asset optimizer, project reduce, and item type sort. For example, we import an AE project and we want to remove the unused item and consolidate all the items. So we choose the COM and click on Access Optimizer. Item Type Sort button will sort out all the unselected items that we think they are not well organized. Now take a look at Layer Group. We can set a layer group with label color, or if we think it's unused, then we can set it to unused status. It won't be shown on the timeline. Use the Get Group List button to get the available set group on current composition. Then we can select or multi-select the groups and do pre-com, disable, enable, or delete them. Now we come to the last tab of the Bingo script, Render. There are three options inside the render: preview, full render, or range render. Preview is built with the H.264 codec to make a preview faster. So we can type in the name to export the preview, set the output folder, choose high or low quality, and choose the work area length or composition length, then click on render. Full Render offers high-quality codecs with alpha option to render high resolution for delivery. Range Render can help you set the range of frame range you want to export. You can separate the render range by typing semicolon in between each range. Okay, that's it for Bingo script. I hope this little script can help you save time and boost your workflow. Any comments or suggestions, please do let me know. Thank you and Merry Christmas!